Are you ready to elevate your TikTok game? Live streaming is your secret weapon. TikTok Live lets you connect in real time with over 1 billion users. But how do you make your first stream successful? Imagine engaging your followers in live Q&As and hosting unique collaborations. You can boost your reach and even make money while doing it. Sounds exciting, right? Here's how to unlock TikTok Live access easily. First, ensure you're 18 and have at least 1,000 followers. Download the TikTok app and hit the live button. Going live offers amazing benefits. Build a real-time connection with fans. Partner with fellow creators to expand your audience. Plus, invite your viewers to support you through donations. Stand out with Restream. Our platform enables you to multi-stream to TikTok and other platforms effortlessly. Gain more viewers and maximize your reach. Start now by creating a free Restream account. Connect your TikTok channel, customize your stream, and go live. Don't miss out on the chance to engage your audience and enhance your profitability. Remember, high-quality streams keep viewers engaged. Schedule regular broadcasts, prepare your topics in advance, and interact with your audience. Your TikTok journey awaits. Ready to capture your audience? Join TikTok Live today and unlock endless possibilities. Create high-quality streams and become the content creator you've always aspired to be.